That's going to take a little bit of braking in time.
Yeah, I got to brake in the brakes.
Braking the brakes. Hey, Freya.
Da, 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 da. What do you think about the new Portals?
The new Portals.
It's almost as big as my truck camper. My truck's a little bigger.
A little bigger?
A little bigger. Not as much ground clearance though.
No, certainly not.
And those bars you got, how they bend up on the front end, it gives you so much clearance. You know how the A-arms are bent?
Yeah. That's the point of those.
Yes, I know. Just like the point of my Northern Light is to sleep in and cook and video edit.
Yeah, see, so I just have a slight negative camber. I didn't want to go too crazy.
Oh yeah, I can see it slightly, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you want to do some braking drills, then you can go down the back of the property and just slam on it, just like you do on the street bike, you know, on...
Wait till it's not so muddy.
What? What are you afraid of?
Well, I don't want to get it dirty before I put it in the trailer. Just wash the trailer.
Oh, shit. So what's happening, what is it, next week or 2 weeks from now?
The side-by-side rally at CR Racing. Next weekend.
That's next week.
June 1st.
Because today is Saturday and it's a week from now.
A week from now, yeah.
All right, a week from now we'll be shredding, guys, with this thing.
Shredding with this beast. And with a new addition.
And with something.
And a new addition.
And another thing to add to. A little bonus.
Adding to Full Circle Adventures.
This is like Irnie and Qman blog. SXS blog.
Side-by-side vlog, guys.
From Kelowna.
All right. So I got to deal with the brake issues.
Yeah, go break them in.
Probably because I got new pads.
And new rotors.
And new rotors.
Just check out
but
those.
It's got a weird feel. It's like you have some, then you have nothing, then you have some more.
Interesting.
Really weird.
Then you can grind off the studs like last time.
Yeah, hopefully not too much, but
yeah, Moab style.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were commenting on these on the beadlocks. They just don't make them thick enough to protrude outside the bolts.
Yeah, so now the bolts get beat up.
The bolts get beat up, and of course, the excuse from Fuel is to save weight. You know, maybe that's the reasoning, but
it could be a reason.
Once you lose the bolt heads, then how do you get them off?
Yeah. Or if you snap a bolt off, then the bolt is stuck inside.
Oh yeah, and you're drilling it out, and just a nightmare. Just a nightmare.
Just ruining the wheel. I don't know. I'd like to see the thicker flanges. That's what I'd like to see. I wish you could order them. It'd be cool to order some thick orange
Even
flanges.
some Delrin would be light.
Yeah.
Think about some Delrin covers that you bolt on with a couple, take out 2 of the bolts and they hold the Delrin in place.
Yeah.
Or just, it could be just a thin little, that's all you need. It would be designed for the rocks even. There you go, dude. New idea, we should trademark that. Delrin beadlock sliders.
Like a little clip or something, I don't know. But then they probably just snap off, I don't know.
Nah, the Delrin like the knee pucks from Woodcraft.
I just don't know how you keep them on there.
They bolt on with the bolts.
Yeah.
Turn your light bar on.
Which one? This one?
Ah!
These ones?
That's
These
right.
ones?
Even in the daytime, it's bright.
Just tell me. Are the headlights on?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, the headlights are on. The regular OEMs. Now they're off. Now they're on.
Huh. Oh, the terrible brakes. Oh, so bad.
Slam it. That's the best that you can do, huh?
Oh, that's not gonna work.
like a big remote control.
I can't even lock it up.
Yeah, just keep working it, forward and back. Just don't hit the tree. Oh, you got a little lock there.
A little better.
Just like on the street bike, do stoppies.
It sounds so funny with the portals. It's kind of like a whine.
She's got some power. Hit a jump. There you go.
I got some brakes locking up there.
It's so big. You're like in a monster truck.
Wrecking my lawn.
Anyways, guys, there you go. Trying to break in the brakes on the farm. My name is Marcel Irnie. That's Qman. Bam. ATV Portals installed on 2017 RZR 4-seater turbo. Like, subscribe, and share.